નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, now today we will discuss about our chapter number 6 revision solution. So revision worksheet we have to given all. Now this one is our solution for the chapter number 6. The first question is filling the blank. So let's start our first one. A triangle has how many elements? So in triangle how many elements? So in triangles total is 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. How many elements? Total 6 elements. So our first blank answer is 6. How many elements? 6 elements. Okay. Then after our next question, in obtuse angle triangle, 2 angle must be a, which type of the angle? If you are given an acute angle triangle, on a obtuse angle triangle, which type of the obtuse angle triangle? 2 angles must be which type? Suppose dear students, you have to given a one triangle, right? Now in this angle, suppose this angle is the obtuse angle, this means 120. So now in these 2 angles is the which type of the triangles? So one angle is 120, so these 2 angles is the less than 120. It means these 2 angles is the one type of the acute angle triangle. Which type of the acute angle triangle? कोई एक बड़ा एंगल हो तो बाकी के जो दो एंगल है वो कैसे हो गए? छोटे, यानी कि लेस देन 90 डिग्री हो गए. सो लेस देन 90 डिग्री मीन्स acute angle triangle, sorry acute angle. So our second question blank's answer is acute angle. Okay. Now to the third one. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 30 and angle Q is equal to 110. Then angle R is equal to, so we all are know triangles 3 angles addition is equal to 180. In triangle 3 angle addition is equal to 180. Here given 2 angles, we have to find our third angles. So 30 and 110, 30 and 110 is means 140. So now 180 minus 140, so 180 minus 140, then angle R is equal to 40 degree. This means angle R is equal to 40. Okay. Now to the next, a triangle can have how many exterior angle? If any triangles, then how many exterior part? So in triangles total 6 exterior angle. How many? 6. 6th exterior angle. Right. Suppose this one is my third, so we have to extend in this side, right? Then how many angles? So this one is the exterior angle, 6 exterior angles. Okay. See here, one angles, same for the in this side angle, same for in this side, same for the in this side angle, here also and here also. So total 6 exterior angle. Last blanks, we can have 3 which angles in a triangle. If we given a one triangles and each angles is how many? So each angle is the acute angle. Which type of the angle? Acute angle. We can have 3 acute angle in a triangle. Okay. So understand our filling the blanks. Clear? Now to our next question is the question number 2, true or false. So let's start our first statement. An equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle. This statement is right or wrong. If you are given an equilateral triangle, what is the equilateral triangle? All the sides or angles are same is called a equilateral triangle. Now in equilateral triangles, then each angle, it means every angle is the acute angle. So this one is the right statement. This one is the right statement. It means true. Answer is true. Okay. Equilateral triangle, then all the angles are acute angles. 60, 60, 60. So 60, 60, 60. It means this is the equilateral triangle. Why? Because all the angles are same. Okay. Now 60, 60, 60. This one is the less than 90 degree. Then less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. So acute angle triangle, this means right statement. Next one, a right angle triangle can never be a equilateral triangle. Right angle triangle can never be a equilateral triangle. Yes or no? Yes. This statement is the right. नेवर बी इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इस मीन्स जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है वो इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल नहीं है. So this statement is right. Right angle और equilateral, these two is different triangle. So right angle जो है वो equilateral triangle नहीं है. This means this statement is the right statement. Third one, in a scalene triangle no sides are equal. जिस triangle में कोई भी sides equal नहीं है उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं scalene triangle. So this statement is right. Yes, this statement is the right. Why? Because all the sides are different. Is called a scalene triangle. Fourth one, median is also called altitude in equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle है उसमें median जो होता है उसे हम लोग altitude भी कह सकते हैं. This one is right. So this one is the right. Why? Because in equilateral triangle all the sides are same. We have to draw here to here and here. So this all are is the median, and this also called, this one is the altitude. This also called a altitude. So our last statement is the right statement. Okay. Now our next question is the third. Find the unknown exterior angle x. See dear students, here given are three different types of the triangle, and we have to find the value of x, and x is given in exterior part of all the triangle. Then how to find? So in the first one, so first of all using the exterior angles. So what is the exterior angle? So exterior is angle, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Sum of interior opposite angle. This one is the formula. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Now exterior angle is means x. Sum of interior opposite. So interior, this two is the interior angle. So 70 plus 55. 70 plus 55 means 125. So x is equal to 125. X is equal to 125. Right? Okay. Then after the next questions is, so our next question, see here, 35 and 65. 35 and 65. X is here. So what is the formula? Exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angle. So in exterior angle is means x. Sum of interior angle is means 35 plus 65. 35 plus 65 is means 100. So x value is equal to 100. In our next question. Okay. Then after the last one, same, x is here. So exterior angle is equal to x. Sum of interior angle is means 40 plus 50. So 40 plus 50 is means 90. So x is equal to 90. So in the first question, x is equal to 125. In second one, x is equal to 100. In third one, x is equal to 90. So understand the filling the blanks, true or false, and how to find the unknown exterior angle. Clear? Next question is the question number 4. Find the unknown interior angle x. In the question number 3, we have to find the unknown exterior angle of the x. Now in this question we have to find the unknown number but in interior angle. So same formula are used in this question. In the question number 3, formula used exterior angle, the same formula used here. So let's start. So what is the formula? The formula is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Now in this question, exterior angle is equal to 105. Sum of interior angle is means here is interior is given 2, so x plus 40. Now we have to find the value of x, then 40 in this side. So 105 minus 40 is equal to x. Now 105 minus 40. 105 minus 40, then answer is 65 is equal to x. It means first answer x is equal to 65. So understand? Same for the next questions. Same formula are used here. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Now in this question, exterior angle is equal to 120. Interior angle is means x plus 60. Now 62 in this side, so 120 minus 60 is equal to x. 120 minus 60 is means 60 is equal to x. It means in this questions, in this triangle, unknown x is equal to 60. Third one, same formula, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Now in this question, exterior angle is equal to 85. So 85 is equal to sum of interior, is means x plus 30. Now we have to find the value of x. Then 32 in this side. The 32 in this side is means minus. So 85 minus 30 is equal to x. 85 minus 30 is means 55. So x value is equal to 55. It means in this interior angle is equal to 55. Here interior angle is equal to 60, and here interior angle is equal to also for the 65. So understand the question number 4, how to find the interior and how to find the exterior angle. Okay.
Thank you for joining us.